How to create a WhatsApp group without adding anyone. First, open the WhatsApp app. At the top right corner, tap on three dots. Now tap on new group. If you try to create a group without adding any number, WhatsApp will not allow you. Here is what you can do. In the search bar, type your own WhatsApp number. Now select your profile. Then tap on the green arrow button. Give a name of your group. Then tap on the tick mark. Your group is created without any member. And that's it. This is how you can create a WhatsApp group without adding anyone.